shock you. Why are you running? Why are you running? For what?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Murife! Murife, don't run! Hey! Murife, don't run!
What type of plane is this?
What is the thing? Nothing. Thunder fire you.
Help me! If they carry me, they go where I don't know.
What type of plane is this? This is...
For what? Is it for a bar? Is it for Gary? Is it for beans? I don't know. Jesus!
For you. Now what for you, bro? The fuck? Waiting be this. Jesus.
Our mumu know too much.
There is God, oh.
You are a mumu man. Thunder fire you.
Ireza.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Let me tell you something.
For what? Is it for a bar? Is it for Gary? Is it for beans? I don't know. He shot you.
Waiting be this. Jesus. Blood of Jesus.